Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have the Glossy box for the month of November. Glossybox was nice enough to gift this to me for me to give my honest opinion on this. So if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so as always, before I get into my unboxings, I always just want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome. My name is Aisha. I love doing unboxings on this channel. We do lots of makeup subscription unboxings on this channel, makeup hauls, and makeup mystery unboxings. I love trying out new products, which is why I absolutely love doing these makeup subscription unboxings. We're gonna do this glossy box right here in a second. But if you guys love unboxing videos, specifically makeup subscription unboxes, then I would say definitely subscribe to your girl's channel because you're gonna see a lot of that on my channel. It's all beauty content related for the most part. So if you like things like that, I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty guys, so first and foremost, I want to thank Glossybox for reaching out to me and asking if I want to do an unboxing of the November box for Glossybox because you guys know your girl loves trying out new stuff, so I definitely would not turn down an amazing opportunity like that, but I'm grateful for this opportunity. I've been blessed. Lots of subscription unboxes have been reaching out to me. And I'm really grateful and appreciative for getting to try all these amazing stuff out. As always, just because I get something for free does not mean that I'm not going to give my honest opinion. I always give my honest opinion because I want you guys to know the real deal on what it's like getting all these subscription boxes. So we're going to get right into the box. So let me briefly just give you a little bit about the box really quick. So Glossybox, it's normally $21 a month for 5 deluxe size beauty items. Now, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I actually have a code for Glossybox, which is exciting. The code is Aisha, Ayesha, which is my name, and that saves you $5 off your box, your first box. The box will only be $16 from $21. So I think that's an amazing deal. I'm not getting any commission from this at all. It's just that's for you guys to save. So if you guys could save $1, a penny, I'm all about saving. So I'm glad that you guys get the opportunity to save if you guys are interested in this box. And it's code Aisha. That's me. Alrighty, so we'll start off with the box. I've always said I've loved glossy boxes because they're like, you hear this? It's the real deal box. Like this box is sturdy. You can reuse it to store your makeup in here. You can store jewelry. You can store a lot of stuff in these boxes. These are boxes that you don't want to throw away because they're so good in quality. So we're going to open her up. I love the pink. You know, pink's my favorite color. Also, stay tuned because somewhere in this video, I'm going to announce the winner for my Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway that I'm doing. So it'll be somewhere in this video, so keep on watching to see who's the winner. All right, so as always, when you open up the box, it's always like a little booklet that tells you about your items in the box. I love that they give you like the prices and like a detailed description on the items in the box. Some makeup subscription boxes don't do these cards with the prices and everything on here. And I really don't like that because like you want to know like what you're getting in the box, the prices and so forth, so you know you get your bang for your buck. So kudos to Glossybox for always having this in their boxes. When you open it up, it has like a little Glossybox seal on here. And then you have like some little, I don't know, I never know what you call these, squigglies. Some people call it squigglies in here. And then I'll give you guys a sneak peek. Sneak peek! Okay, so the first thing I got is a Way Cherie. It's a hydrating lip oil. Ooh, I love the color. How cute is this, guys? It looks like it's kind of like a bluish purple gloss. That's what it looks like. Let's smell it. It has cherries on here, so I'm wondering if it smells like cherries. Mmm. It absolutely smells like cherries, which is amazing and delicious. So wintertime, with wintertime coming up, this is perfect because I love lip oils to give me like a nice hydration to my lips. So I definitely will get some use out of this. And like I said, you get 5 deluxe size items. So, but this looks almost like a full size. So let's see the price for that. So it says this retails for $12. The next thing I got is a eyeshadow palette by Shella, which is, I'm going to assume, an indie brand. It's Shella. It's like neutral colors, which these are definitely like my type of colors. They're all earth tones. I love fun colors too, don't get me wrong, but like when I want like a nice everyday, these are definitely like beautiful shades here. So I definitely will get a lot of use out of this. So far I am loving my box. I got 2 makeup items and stuff that I can use every day. The next thing I got, oh, let's see, how much was that palette? It says $20. I'm not sure if it's for this or the full size of this. I'm not sure, but it says $20 for the palette. The next thing I got is a commodity paper. What is this? Is this a perfume? Let me see. Okay, so this is a deluxe fragrance. Now, I'm very weird about my fragrance because I only like fruity and citrus, and I'm reading this and it says that it's a woody, like a woody musk. So most likely I probably won't like this scent just because I'm very picky with the scents that I like. So I'm going to just spray it in the cap. Yeah, unfortunately, this is not like my type of scent because I'm weird. I don't like vanilla scents. I don't like woody. I don't like musky. Just floral, citrus, or fruity. Those are like my type of scents. So it's hit or miss because like either you like a type of scent or you don't. So this one I didn't really like, to be honest with you. But it says that the full size of this is $105. Wow. And this size was $10. So I see this big box here. Let's see what that is. Okay, so this is Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm. I actually happen to love cleansing balms only because I wear a lot of makeup and sometimes I can't just use a wipe or like wash my face once. I have to like use a balm to get everything off and then wash my face. I use currently right now, I have the pharmacy, the green cleansing balm. Absolutely love it. I also have like the Clinique cleansing balm, so which I love as well. So I'm excited to try a different type of cleansing balm. Let's see what this looks like. Well, it looks just like a cleansing balm. It kind of smells like the Clinique one that I have. I could never have too much cleansing balm. It says melt away sherbet. I'm excited for this because my green cleansing balm is actually almost done. So I need a new one and now I don't have to buy one because I got one in my box. So it says this retails for $48. Wow, that's a really good deal. Very excited for this. The next thing I got is a blurring primer. This is by Fig and Rue. I like blurring primers because sometimes like if I'm having breakouts or anything like that, it just smooths the skin, makes it look more airbrushed. So super excited for this makeup item. This, it says, is $52. Wow. It says it gives it like a matte finish. It's silicone free. It helps, it's pore minimizing, anti-blemish qualities, absorbs oils, and smooths out any breakouts, which I love because your girl has oily skin. So a lot of primers that boxes give normally is hydrating. It's rare you get mattifying one. So I'm super excited to try this. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. So it has like a pinkish color to it. Doesn't really have a scent to it, but it's not like heavy or thick. It goes right into the skin. Makes it feel nice and smooth. That's a little comparison. I love how it went right into my skin. I'm very excited to try that. I'm all about primers. I'm all about, you know, your makeup. I always tell clients, like when I do my gigs on the side, I always say your makeup is only as good as what's underneath. Same thing, like if you're painting a wall, you're not going to just throw the paint on and start painting. You're going to prime it first so to fill out any nicks on the wall. Same thing with your makeup. You always want to prime your skin. It makes it last longer. So I'm super excited to try a new one. And that was everything I got in the box. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have to say that I'm actually really, really happy about my box. The majority of this box is makeup. I have 1 makeup item here, 2 makeup items, 3 makeup items. And although this is not a makeup item, I'm going to use this to take my makeup off. So very excited for this. The only thing I really didn't like was the fragrance, which that is like, it's hard. This is going to be hit or miss whether somebody would like a certain smell or not. It's my personal preference that I just don't like woody or musky scents. That's just my thing. But some people do like it. But rather than that, I liked 4 out of the 5 items from this box. So with that being said, if I paid $21 for this box, I would be very happy because 4 out of the 5 things I would be most definitely using. And if you guys like this box, like I said, it would only be $16 for your first box, which I think is amazing. Like $16 for all of these things, especially since you get this full-size balm that retails for $48. That's amazing. That is amazing. I love, 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 love trying out new stuff. Like, I'm sorry, but your girl can never have too much beauty products. With that said, what did you guys think about my box? I loved it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Okay, guys, so the winner for my giveaway that I had for my Jeffree Star unboxing for the Halloween boxes, the winner's name is Lori Danielle. Lori Danielle. So, Lori Danielle, congratulations. You won my giveaway. You have 1 week to reach out to me on Instagram, letting me know that you saw that you won. And I will mail you your stuff that I promised to give in that video. If she does not reach out to me within a week, then she forfeits her prize and I will have to announce another winner for this giveaway. Congratulations. And if you didn't win this giveaway, do not feel bad. You guys know I always do giveaways. I'm very close to reaching 2,000 subscribers. I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway then. I think I'm going to do a giveaway, but I'll probably have like maybe like 3 winners because I have so much stuff that I want to just give away. So I'll probably have 3 winners, which is great because more people have an opportunity to win. So still subscribe to your girl because that's like the next giveaway I'm going to have. And it's going to be a lot of stuff that I'm giving away. Your girl has a lot of stuff. You guys see I have all these subscription boxes and I can't keep everything. So stay tuned for that giveaway soon. Congratulations once again to the winner. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Become a part of my YouTube family. And stay tuned for my next unboxing. I'll see you guys soon.